Hello, Unity community. I'm Kate Cavanaugh, and I am so honored to invite you into a sacred conversation that I'm calling Walking in the Light of Love. Sunday, June the 22nd, is my beloved and my 23rd wedding anniversary, which is an amazing time to be sharing the soul of what we've come to know through the precepts of beloved partnership, a path of conscious love, of sacred commitment, and healing connection. So we will be exploring everyday choices that we make to hold one another to the highest, in the highest way, to surrender, to remember, and to rise in love. So whether you are in a partnership or seeking one, or simply devoted to the walk in this lifetime of love itself, this message is for you. Come join me as we open our hearts, align with the divine, and walk this luminous path together. I will see you June 22nd at the Unity community. It is my joy to share this message with you.